just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
Hello and welcome back to the plot. The sun came out today, which I guess shouldn't feel that rare for June, but the Scottish Highlands really do have their own agenda, especially when it comes to the weather. I took advantage of this break in the rain to plant out a few of the bits that I'd bought from the garden centre. I really fell in love with this yarrow, and while it might feel a little silly to plant something that is already native and shows up on other parts of the plot, I feel like this terracotta version adds a bit of whimsy and it really fits the wild and magical feel we'd like our wedding to have, as well as being one of the colours that I think would look stunning inside my bouquet, which is ultimately why I'm doing all of this in the first place.
So we're at that portion of the day where Cam and I do our little show and tell to show each other what we've been up to. You ready to see?
I'm ready to see.
Let's go. New plants?
Beautiful, aren't they? That colour is stunning.
Do you like
Yeah.
this
really
one?
like.
Yeah, I love this. And I thought in terms of wedding bouquet, it's quite a nice colour palette. Imagine those Elizabeth roses with this, the terracotta one, and things like this and the pink down here. I can see that really working.
Yeah, that can work out, can't it?
And even if it's still in flower, things like this one would look really cool.
Yeah, I like it. It's more wildflowers, isn't it?
Yeah, these are, well, this is yarrow. It's just a terracotta version of yarrow.
What happens to this one?
Pardon?
What happened to this one?
That is,
TBC?
it's not done. Right, do you want to show me what you've been doing?
Oh, go on then. Like a treehouse.
It does look a bit like a tree house. Right, I'm coming.
So the log was the first attempt.
Oh, so you were going to try and prop it on the log?
Yeah, but it was too slopey. It wasn't level enough.
Yeah.
You can see I tried to put it on rocks as well, but nah, I didn't like it. It wasn't going to be safe. So with the offcuts, just knocked up a little frame, staked it into the ground, and it works. We need to clean this out, by the way.
It's going to be full of bugs as well. Look up. Hey!
Staying in here tonight.
Is it nice that it's flat?
Yeah.
We genuinely could sleep in the tent tonight if you want.
That was I'm sleeping in the tent tonight.
Ah.
I'm not doing all four of us again.
Why?
No.
Why? You're lucky he's not wearing the pair of trousers with the massive hole in.
There's a little hole.
I might have to just leave him there.
I think so.
You said you were going to make cheese toasties at 1.
What's the time?
Past 1.
I thought so. I'm not hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, a bit.
Fine. Go make you a cheese toasty.